This question comes from Sarah. She wants to know what would actually happen if the moon simply disappeared overnight. The first thing anyone would notice is the sky. The moon is the brightest object in the night sky. Without it, nights become dramatically, uncomfortably darker. No moonlight means rural and suburban areas plunge into genuine darkness. Stars become more visible than most living humans have ever seen. The sky looks completely wrong. But the darkness is the least of your problems. The moon controls Earth's tides through gravitational pull. The moment it disappears, that pull vanishes instantly. Ocean tides would not gradually fade, they would collapse almost immediately. The regular rhythm of high and low tides that every coastline on Earth depends on, gone. Coastal ecosystems depend entirely on tidal rhythm. Every organism calibrated to the tidal cycle would face immediate habitat collapse. But here is where it gets serious. The moon stabilizes Earth's axial tilt. Without it, that tilt would begin shifting, slowly at first, then dramatically over thousands of years. Earth's tilt determines our seasons. A stable tilt means stable seasons. A destabilizing tilt means seasons begin behaving unpredictably. So over millennia, the axial shift could be catastrophic. Tilts so extreme that some regions experience months of continuous sunlight, followed by months of complete darkness. Agriculture becomes impossible. Without reliable seasons, farming as we know it collapses. Remove that predictability and the food supply becomes immediately unstable. There is one more thing the moon does quietly. It slows Earth's rotation. Without the moon's gravitational drag, Earth would eventually spin faster. Days would eventually shorten significantly. Scientists estimate that without the moon, Earth's day could eventually shorten to somewhere between 6 and 8 hours. You would need to sleep, work, and eat in a fraction of current time. Every nocturnal animal on Earth uses moonlight to navigate, hunt, and reproduce. Entire behavioral systems calibrated to lunar cycles, all disrupted simultaneously. Sea turtles navigate to nesting beaches by moonlight. Coral reefs spawn according to lunar cycles. Without it, ecosystems begin unraveling immediately. Ocean currents are partially driven by tidal forces. Weaker tides mean disrupted currents. Disrupted currents mean changes in temperature distribution across the entire planet. Climate shifts globally. Some regions would warm dramatically, others would cool. The global climate system that billions of humans and trillions of organisms depend on would begin reorganizing itself without asking anyone. To summarize what we have lost, stable tides, predictable seasons, Earth's rotational stability, nocturnal ecosystems, coastal habitats, and ocean current patterns, all of it quietly maintained by one rock. The moon is not decoration, it is infrastructure. 4.5 billion years of planetary engineering, silently holding the conditions for complex life together, gone overnight. So the next time you look up and see the moon, appreciate it. It is doing considerably more work than it looks like, and it is not getting paid nearly enough.